design and dreaming big. Just like your parents cook something for you, or maybe you like to bake in the kitchen. There's a recipe, right? There are ingredients to follow when you bake something. It's the same with designing and dreaming big.
Empathy is when you feel bad for someone. You know what they're going through.
And you understand their emotions and feelings and can relate.
Our partners said that they were really unorganized and they kept losing stuff in their backpacks. So we wanted to make it more organized. And so we just made the dividers, and so these would just go inside a backpack.
My favorite part was probably thinking about how you were going to make it beforehand. And then later on, when you were making it, seeing how it was actually going to turn out.
I would build a jacket specific for anyone. It would be worn in the hot weather, in the cold weather. It would fit to your liking, and it would have different designs, like edgy, cute, just like a jacket for your everyday needs.
For the students, we think it's really important for them to have something to aspire to be resilient and to persevere. They want to contribute. They want to make a change, and their thoughts can result in something that is big. So this partnership and this activity was a major effort that we want to move forward with so that we can give those experiences to students. Dreaming big does not necessarily relate to size. We're talking impact.